Looking at the Vivobook Pro 16X or the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 in 2025? In this video, I'll compare both to help you decide which one's worth your money. Watch till the end. I'll reveal the clear winner. I've also dropped links in the description for the latest prices and deals, and if this video helps you out, give it a like. It really supports the channel. When considering the build quality, design, and port selection of the Asus Vivobook Pro 16X and the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 Aura Edition, one can observe distinct approaches. The Vivobook Pro 16X opts for a pragmatic industrial aesthetic with matte black or silver finishes. It incorporates 30% recycled plastic in its chassis to reduce weight, yet maintains a robust build that passes 26-mile STD 810H tests, featuring rigid hinges and a stable keyboard deck. This contrasts with the ThinkPad X1 Carbon, which showcases a more refined ultra-light design, weighing significantly less and featuring a CNC-milled carbon fiber and magnesium alloy frame that also meets MIL STD 810H standards. Its Aura styling and ceramic-coated palm rest lend a premium feel, and the hinge allows for one-handed opening. In terms of connectivity, both laptops offer a comprehensive array, though tailored to different use cases. The Vivobook Pro 16X provides dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, two USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HDMI 2.1, a full-size SD card reader, RJ45 Ethernet, and a 3.5mm audio combo jack, indicating a strong focus on professional workflows with varied peripherals and external displays. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13, on the other hand, also includes two Thunderbolt 4 ports, two USB-A 5 Gbps ports, HDMI 2.1, and a 3.5mm audio combo jack, along with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3 for wireless connectivity. While it lacks a built-in SD card reader, its port selection is nonetheless generous for an ultra-portable business machine, emphasizing flexibility for a road warrior's needs. When comparing the displays, the Vivobook Pro 16X offers a larger 16-inch 3.2K Nano Edge OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks with an impressive 0.2 milliseconds response time. In contrast, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 features a slightly smaller 14-inch 2.8K OLED display, also with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing vivid colors and sharp detail. Both displays boast excellent visual quality, with the Vivobook Pro 16X offering more screen real estate and a higher resolution. For cameras and audio, the Vivobook Pro 16X comes with a 1080p webcam with a privacy shutter and AI noise reduction, alongside Harman Kardon-tuned stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon also includes a 1080p IR camera with a privacy shutter, enhanced by an NPU for AI features like auto-framing and background blur, and features dual front-firing speakers with Dolby Atmos and quad-array microphones with AI noise filtering. Both laptops offer clear video conferencing and good audio, with the ThinkPad excelling in AI-powered camera features. Regarding the keyboard and touchpad, the Vivobook Pro 16X sports an ErgoSense full-size keyboard with a numpad, tactile feedback, and a precision glass trackpad with a programmable virtual dial pad. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13, renowned for its iconic ThinkPad keyboard, offers satisfying key travel and includes both a precision glass touchpad and the signature red trackpoint nub with physical buttons. Both provide excellent typing experiences, with the Vivobook Pro 16X offering a unique creative dial and the ThinkPad a dual input system. In terms of battery life, the Vivobook Pro 16X, with its 90 watt-hour battery, offers approximately 6 hours for local 4K video playback, but real-world usage under mixed loads often dips to 3 to 4 hours, highlighting its power-hungry nature. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13, on the other hand, demonstrates outstanding longevity, achieving nearly 20 hours in a video loop test and comfortably exceeding a full workday under real-world productivity tasks, making it a clear winner for portability and extended use away from a power outlet. In terms of raw processing power, the Vivobook Pro 16X is equipped with the Intel Core i9-13980HX, a high-end CPU boasting 24 cores and 32 threads with a boost clock up to 5.60 GHz. This processor is designed for demanding multi-core tasks, and its benchmarks, such as a Cinebench R23 multi-thread score of 10 to 524 PTs, confirm its exceptional performance in heavy content creation and productivity workloads. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13, on the other hand, features the newer Intel Core Ultra 7 258V, a Lunar Lake processor with an enhanced NPU for AI tasks. Its performance in daily productivity scores PC Mark 10 in the 4,000 to 5,000 range, and mid-pack results in Cinebench and Geekbench 6 compared to other ultra-portables suggest it's highly capable for typical business and general content creation, but not designed for the same level of intensive multi-threaded tasks as the i9-13980HX. For graphics and editing performance, the Vivobook Pro 16X clearly holds an advantage with its dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU with a 150-watt TGP, complemented by integrated Intel UHD graphics. This powerful discrete GPU significantly accelerates rendering and effects in creative applications like Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve, as evidenced by its competitive 3D Mark Time SPI scores. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13, conversely, relies on its integrated Intel Arc 140V graphics. While this integrated solution tops the integrated graphics segment in benchmarks like 3D Mark Wildlife and Steel Nomad, it is notably slower than systems with discrete GPUs like the RTX 4060. Therefore, for professional-grade video editing and graphics-intensive tasks, the Vivobook Pro 16X offers a far more robust solution. When it comes to gaming, the difference in graphics hardware becomes even more pronounced. The Vivobook Pro 16X with its RTX 4060 is presented as a formidable gaming rig, capable of achieving 60-plus FPS in Shadow of the Tomb Raider, high settings, and 50-plus FPS in Metro Exodus, medium settings, at its native 3.2K resolution. This indicates smooth gameplay for AAA titles at high settings, positioning it as a capable machine for both work and play. In stark contrast, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 is explicitly stated as not suited for AAA gaming, though it handles casual gaming and video playback smoothly. Its integrated Intel Arc 140V graphics, while good for an integrated solution, are simply not designed for the demands of modern, graphically intensive games at high resolutions or settings, which is a key differentiator for users with gaming aspirations. So, which should you buy in 2025? If you need raw power, a great display, and GPU muscle for creative work or gaming, the Vivobook Pro 16X is the clear winner. But for business users needing portability, battery life, and a premium feel, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon still shines.